Gladskin is in a category of its own. Well, Gladskin products are very gentle. They're very gentle on your skin. Very often when we treat conditions, chronic conditions of the skin, like eczema, like rosacea, we use products that bring the trade-off between efficacy and the long-term use. Some of them we cannot use long-term. With Gladskin products, we are really eliminating these problems. There's no trade-off between efficacy and safety. They're gentle enough, but they're effective, and you can always use them long-term because they're all about your microbiome. Restoring the health of your skin is what really Gladskin is about. So microbiome is an essential part of your skin. Microbiome is a population of bacteria and all other organisms that live on our skin. And when the microbiome is disrupted, the skin health is disrupted. The inflammation sets in and the skin stops working as your protective barrier, which is a main function of your skin. And once the skin is not working as protective barrier, we run ourselves into trouble. We start seeing redness, we start seeing inflammation, we start seeing breakouts, we start seeing that the water from the inside is start leaking and your skin is becoming very, very dry. So really taking care of your microbiome is taking care of your skin. So treatment fatigue is very common for a problem skin. It's when you're trying too many different products. And some of those products are probably worse for your skin than the problem that you're trying to solve, or they can create actual problems in your skin. There's so many products out there, and to know which ones to use is very difficult for a problem skin. So you start with one product, you don't see the results, and you very quickly move on to a next one, and then the third one, and the fourth one, and you're really creating more of a problem than you're trying to solve. So endolysine technology is a part of the chemical factory of the microbiome of the skin. Skin that is prone for rosacea or acne or eczema, feeling inflamed, feeling red and irritated. All those symptoms really can be helped by use of the endolysine technology to balance the microbiome, basically to balance the good and bad bacteria on your skin. So Gladskin is science based on the nature of your skin. They're new to the US market and have been recommended to my patients a lot. They have a variety of products, so it gives me really the variability to recommend it to patients where I know that microbiome is at the core of the issue. Skin that is prone to eczema, skin that is prone to rosacea or acne, especially adult acne, is where the microbiome plays the most of the role. And having the variety of products, gentle products that I can recommend to somebody from an infant that is 3 months old to an adult has been really amazing. Gladskin is in a category of its own. In the past, traditionally, for different conditions, we had antibiotics, we had steroids, vasoconstrictors, and then the harsher products for acne like salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. So we can avoid all the known problems that we had with those treatments with Gladskin, because Gladskin is really based on restoring your natural microbiome. It's restoring the balance between good and bad bacteria and making your skin stronger on its own. So we don't have to use harsher products on your skin. We don't have to worry about antibiotic resistance. We don't have to worry about the rebound from steroids. We don't have to worry about using benzoyl peroxide or drying salicylic acid on your skin. Microbiome is really making your skin healthy, and healthy skin is a beautiful skin that can really withstand all the sensitivities and the symptoms that are usually found with all those conditions. So it's very important to use maintenance products, not only the treatment products. So if you're using a cream or a gel, redness relief or eczema relief, but at the same time you're using harsher product that can actually interfere with efficacy of the products that you're using it, you're undermining the effort. So the maintenance products is there to really maintain full healthy microbiome of your skin. Gladskin Biome Care products is fantastic because it's really minimal ingredients. When you turn the bottle and you read that there is not a whole slew of ingredients that you've never heard of or don't know what they are, that's what you really want. And it goes really well with our understanding that less is more at this point. It respects your microbiome. It respects it, but also helps to maintain a healthy microbiome.